Guys, do you want to know how to install Oracle VirtualBox in your system? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to install Oracle VirtualBox for creating virtual machines. So let's start the video. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for Oracle VirtualBox. And herein guys, you can see official website virtualbox.org. Just click on this link guys. And now it will redirect you to official website of VirtualBox. And here you can see we have option download, get started, download VirtualBox binaries. Just click on that. And now guys, it will redirect you to this page. And here you can see we have installation for different operating systems. So I'm selecting Windows host. And guys, you can see my download has been started. It will not take more time guys. And guys, the download has been done. And now I will click on this exe to start my installation. And guys, it is asking me permission. So I'm clicking on yes button. Let me close my browser guys. And here the setup has been started. I'm clicking on next button. And here I will click on I accept for license agreement and click on next button. Again click on next button guys. This is a location where VirtualBox will be installed. And here you need to click on yes button. It is asking proceed with the installation. Yes, we want to proceed. And here it is showing missing dependency. So it will install this dependency. So again it is asking me proceed with installation. So let's click on yes button guys. So this dependency will be installed. And now these are the certain options. If you want to have all this option, you can just keep it as default and click on next button. So I'm keeping everything default and clicking on next button. Here guys, I'll click on install button and the installation has been started. It will hardly take time guys. And guys, you can see the installation has been done. And here it is asking me start Oracle VirtualBox. Yes, I would like to start. I'm going to click on finish button. You can see icon has been created on desktop also. And guys, this is Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Using this, you can create your virtual machines. So I hope guys by following my video, you are able to install Oracle VirtualBox Manager. If you really like this video guys, hit on like button. If you have any query, you can put in comment box or you can send me on Instagram also. But before that, follow guys. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye-bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning guys.